Understanding Python docstrings, a key concept for readable code. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to introduce an important concept in the Python programming language, docstrings. Docstrings are a tool in Python used for writing documentation, helping developers understand the functionality and usage of code. In this video, we'll dive into the definition, syntax, usage, and significance of docstrings. What is a docstring? A docstring is a special type of string used to describe the functionality of a function, class, or module. It is typically placed inside the function or class definition and enclosed in triple quotes. This design significantly improves code readability, allowing other developers to quickly grasp the purpose of the code. Why write docstrings? Why should we write docstrings? Here are a few key reasons. Maintainability. Well-written docstrings make code easier to maintain, especially in collaborative projects. Automatic documentation generation. Docstrings can be used to automatically generate technical documentation, which is crucial for large projects. Team collaboration. In a team setting, docstrings help members understand each other's code, reducing communication overhead. IDE support. Many integrated development environments, IDEs, utilize docstrings to provide better code hints and autocomplete features. Basic syntax of docstrings. Now, let's look at the basic syntax of docstrings. A docstring must be placed on the first line inside a function or class definition and enclosed in triple quotes. This structure ensures that the docstring clearly describes the functionality of the function or class. Example: function docstring. Here's an example of a function docstring. In this example, we define a function called calculate_sum. Its docstring contains the following parts. Function description describes the purpose of the function, which is to compute and return the sum of two numbers. Parameter descriptions explains the meaning of each parameter, x and y. Return value description specifies that the function returns the sum of the two numbers. Viewing a function's docstring. We can view a function's docstring using the __doc__ attribute, like this. Print calculate_sum.__doc__. Alternatively, we can use the help function to display the full documentation. Help calculate_sum. This helps us quickly understand the function's functionality and usage. Example: class docstring. In addition to functions, classes can also have docstrings. Here's an example of a class docstring. In this example, we define a class called data processor. Its docstring includes a description of the class's purpose and an explanation of the __init__ method's parameters. This helps developers understand the functionality and usage of the class. Key takeaways. Before we conclude, let's summarize the key points. Docstrings must be placed on the first line inside a function or class definition. Use triple quotes to enclose the content. It is recommended to include a function description, parameter descriptions, and return value description. Use help or __doc__ to view the docstring content. Conclusion. In summary, writing good docstrings is an essential skill for Python development. Not only do they enhance code readability, but they also help us better maintain and manage our code. We hope today's introduction helps you make better use of docstrings in your future project. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.